Hey guys, Tim here with Divergent Elite Detailing in McDonough, Georgia. Welcome to the shop. Gravity Rally, have you ever heard of it? It was founded in 2021 in Orlando, Florida by Cody and Haley Palumbo. Basically, these two came up with the idea. They had been doing cars and coffee events, but they got creative and said, let's take this on the road, and how do you do it? So they created a rally ride, if you will, called the Gravity Rally. And so they just did their 5th event, and I think it covered 2 or 3 states, I think over 1,000 miles. But each one of them, you know, it's fun to be a part of events that have a purpose, and the purpose is to raise money. This year they did that for American Cancer Society, and they raised $40,000 during that event. I think start to finish it might have been a week to 11 days. Don't really remember the total days, but you know, in that we have some particular friends that are enthusiasts. Most of our clients that walk in our door are car enthusiasts, and some are involved in things like that. But one of our own was involved in the recent Gravity Rally that took place like last week or so. And it's Charles. Charles has his R8, and he took that in the event and enjoyed it. So before the event started, we were able to clean that up, get it looking really nice for him so he could go and shine in the event. Afterwards, he brought it back for us to clean up and get it ready after the rally. But we've got it back in the shop. Just kind of show you some footage of his R8, and she is a beauty. We have the pleasure of maintaining a number of vehicles like this. Just appreciate the trust that's placed in us. So we did an interior, exterior. Originally, when this car came to us, we did a single stage polish, and then we did a ceramic coating job on it. But we also put PPF, the track pack, which covers the front as well as down the sides, the rocker panels. So we did that initially, and then made it protected for the road. So we did the interior as well. In the car world today, there are a lot of events like this that are just fun to be a part of. So we appreciate the fact that Charles trusts us with his vehicle. They can go out and enjoy those type of events and you know, build money or raise money for a worthy cause. So thank you, Charles, for letting us be a part of that. But hey, if you've got questions about a particular project or a new vehicle that you've purchased, and you have questions on how to properly care for it, we'd love to dive in and answer those for you. You can give us a call directly at 678-310-3153, or you can visit us at divergentdetailing.com and submit your questions there.